Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the intricate world of Forex trading. I'm excited to have you here today as we explore a crucial element of trading success: backtesting your trading strategy. Backtesting is like your trading rehearsal stage. Before diving into the passion-filled arena of live trading, it's essential to understand how your strategy performs in various market situations. Essentially, it's about testing your ideas against historical data to estimate their potential under real market conditions. This is your opportunity to identify strengths, weaknesses, and fine-tune the parameters so you're confidently prepared for the live market. Let's break this down into an easy-to-follow process. Initially, you must define your trading strategy with crystal clarity. This includes your entry and exit criteria, position sizing, and risk management rules. With this foundation, you can proceed to test your ideas using quality historical data. Choose data that covers a diverse range of market conditions because the market doesn't behave the same way every day. What's important is to decide whether you'll take the manual route or leverage automated software for backtesting. Beginners might benefit from manual backtesting as it allows them a profound insight into market dynamics and their strategy's application. However, if you're tech-savvy or handling large datasets, automated tools like MetaTrader, Forex Tester, or even AI-driven platforms can make the process incredibly efficient. And remember, trading is not just about stats and numbers. Engaging in deep research and observing the strategies designed by seasoned traders can offer invaluable insights. So, if you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel. Join our community of learners and enthusiasts who share a common goal of succeeding in the Forex market with informed, smart strategies. As we delve deeper into analysis, scrutinize your results. Look at your win rate, risk-reward ratio, drawdowns, and overall profitability. This analysis will help you identify areas for improvement, ensuring your strategy isn't just optimized for the past, but is robust enough for future challenges. Iterate on your findings to polish your strategy further, and always retest to confirm you're on the right path. Lastly, a quick but vital reminder: trading comes with its own set of risks. While backtesting strengthens your readiness, it doesn't eliminate risk. Therefore, never wager all your money in trading. It's about clever, calculated risks, not betting everything on a single roll of the dice. Thank you for spending your time with us today. We hope you found value in this guide to backtesting and that it empowers you on your trading journey. Keep researching, keep learning, and most importantly, trade wisely. Until next time, happy trading.